All right. Hi, Rose. Hi, Abby. Hi, Will. Can you see me, Reagan? Reagan's my cameraman. Hope you guys are feeling better. I thought I would shoot a little video just to show you about the word problems that I've emailed to your parents. On the first one, it says Bubba, Leland, and John played us on the Chicago Bulls. The team played 25 games this year. John scored a total of 550 points for the season. That means if you added up all the points he scored each game, it would equal 550 points. And he played 25 games. Leland averaged half as many points per game as John. Bubba scored 3 times as many points for the season as Leland, but only played 20 games. The players were paid $987 per point based on points per game. That means average points per game. So when I say in that sentence there, the players were paid $987 per point based on points per game, that means if you find the average points per game for each kid, they got paid $987 per point. How much? And I want to know how much did each player make? How are we doing, Reagan? Okay. John and Leland played 25 games, but Bubba only played 20. So think about that when you're doing your averages. Now, when you're working this all out, at some point you're going to have a remainder, and you need to round that number to the nearest 1. It's only going to happen once, but there's going to be a point where you're working and you divide, you're going to end up with a remainder, and you need to round that to the nearest 1. Number 2, how much great? Hey guys, can you be a little quieter, please? Thank you. How much greater would the average of the factors of 30 be than the average of the factors of 20? That one you can read and pretty much figure out. The third one, last month 5 people completed the 72-ounce steak challenge. The first person did it in 54 minutes, the second in 42 minutes, the third in 51 minutes, the fourth in 42 minutes, and the fifth did it in 30 minutes. Now my question is, did it take all 5 combined more or less? Hey guys, please be quiet. Thank you. More or less than 4 hours to eat. What I'm asking is, if you combine all the times of all the eaters, would it be more or less than 4 hours? And if it's more, how much more? If it's less, how much less? And those are actually true facts. That's from February. That there are 5 people that actually ate that 72-ounce steak at the Big Texan outside of Amarillo, Texas. Number 4, the Corn Palace uses about 275,000 ears of corn each time it puts up a mural. They have made 3 murals this year. Now that's not true, but it is true about the 270,000 ears of corn. But they've made 3 murals this year. I made that up. If a bushel, and a bushel is like a basket of corn, if a bushel has 48 ears of corn in it, how many bushels have they used this year in their murals? And how many ears, if any, would be left over? So that's it. Good luck. Take your time. Write neatly. And you can either have your parents email me your solutions or drop them by my house at 3811 Dartmouth Avenue. Stick them in the mailbox. But I really kind of need to have those, or you can mail them to me. Stick them in the mail and mail them to me. But somehow I need to have those next week so I can grade them. Feel better soon.